Welcome back to Annie's Space, aka Pinky's Corner. It's a little loud. So let's go. Ooh, look, hold on. Look. Say hi, Alan. Say hi, Alan. Hi. So that's Alan. That's the general manager. And he is cutting drywall. So they're doing some construction, so it's a little loud. So let me go over here and see if I can show you what's going on. It's a little loud, but they're filling in that's Simon. Say hi, Simon.
Hello.
So he is screwing in the drywall. And then basically what's gonna happen is they're gonna paint that, and the big boss, well actually both the big bosses are gonna have their offices over here with the showroom and everything like that. But I will show you more of that once they're going along the process. And Alan's just looking like he's working. This is kind of what he does. So yeah, basically now I will keep documenting what's going on every day as they do it and keep you guys updated with the progress. Sorry for the fit. It's one of them days. Just tired. It's rainy and ugly outside, but you got to see some of the employees. I will do an introductory video here shortly, once they're all here, so you guys can meet them and get to know them. But for now, this is what's going on today. Stay tuned and I'll keep you guys updated. Bye.